Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now a few weeks ago you may remember that I received the January subscription box from the good guys and girls at Craft Box Direct, and they've been very kind enough to send me their February box, which has only just arrived. So thank you very much, and a big shout out to Craft Box Direct. I really do appreciate it. So once again I thought I'd do another quick unboxing video and just run through what's inside. But also Craft Box Direct have been kind enough to give me a discount code to share with you guys. So if you're in New Zealand, New Zealand only, you get a code which will give you $16 off your first subscription box order. You can cancel at any time, so you're not locked in. So stay tuned, I'll put the code up at some stage during the video. Check out their website, I'll put a link below in the video description, and you can put the code in and just make sure it works, etc. before you go through, if that's of interest to you. If it's not, then sit back and yeah, enjoy these beers I'll run through, especially for you guys overseas. I know you can't order these, but hopefully you find the beers of interest. So once again you get a handy tasting guide, gives you a rundown of every beer, some information about it, some backstory about the brewery and the brewer. So that's always cool. I enjoyed that with the previous January box. I'm not going to go into any great detail, we'll just quickly run through these. So this is the first beer, it's from Beech Brewing, and it's their Beyond the Clouds, a West Coast IPA. Fantastic looking label from Beech Brewing as per normal, 6.4%, so looking forward to that. Haven't tried that one before. This is a new to me, from Collab Brewing. It's their new Squeeze Juicy NEPA, clocking in at 6%. So those are both in big 440ml cans. Next up, we've had a beer that I've had quite a few times. You can buy this in like a 6-pack, and it's Good George Brewing's Beech Beer Session Pale Ale, clocking in at 4.5%. That's a really good sort of, as the name suggests, beach beer or barbecue beer or party beer. If you're going out to somebody's house, grab a pack of those for a good price. But I think Craft Box Direct sell all these beers individually as well. So this is a new one to me as well. This is Super Pale Ale from New Corporation down in Dunedin. And the cool thing about this is that it's a pale ale, but it's got 50% rye malt in there, which is going to be really interesting to try that. So I'm looking forward to that one, 5.2%. Next up we have a classic from Sawmill, their Pilsner, clocking in at 4.8%. So another goodie. Next up I've got a beer here that I have tried, and it's a very good beer indeed from Parrot Dog. It's their Pandemonium Pilsner, clocking in at 4.8%. Another good summer beer. Now this is a beer I haven't tried, so this is from Sunshine Brewing. It's their No Access Hazy East Coast IPA. I've heard good things about Sunshine, so I'm looking forward to trying this. 6%. 440ml can, and it says on the back it's good until the 10th of February 2022. So you know these beers are all nice and fresh. Next up we have one from Garage Project, and this is one I have had. It is a low ABV 2.2% beer called Fugazi. I'm pretty sure it's a Pilsner, but we'll double check. Just says session ale, but it's fantastic if you want to drink a few but you got to drive, or you don't want to have a big night. Fantastic beer, one of the best low ABV beers in New Zealand, currently available. Next up we've got a brewery from Queenstown called Canyon Brewing, and this is their beer called Stunt Juice, another beer in a big 440ml. It's a dry hopped Pilsner, 4.6%. Be looking forward to trying that, because I don't get many Canyon Brewing beers around here. So that is awesome. So far so good. All look like tasty beers. I want to have a have a trial. Next up we have Fortune Favours the Naturalist Pale Ale, unfiltered, 5.3. Just love all the can work, cool can art that goes into these cans, fantastic. Okay, so this is another one from Citizen. If you watch last month's video, I had a hazy from Citizen. They use rescue bread that's going to be biffed out by the supermarkets and use some of that in the mash. And this is a light lager clocking at 2.5% so that'll be interesting. A nice low ABV lager from Citizen, so that'll be cool. And then last but not least, we have from Balin's a hazy pale ale called How Low Can You Go? So it's like Balin's have had a go at making a low ABV hazy, which I'll be really keen to try. 3.8%. So yeah, there's a few low ABV options in here and a mixture of sort of ales, IPAs, pilsners and lagers. So that is absolutely fantastic. And happy days. If you got any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching, and thanks again to Craft Box Direct. Gonna enjoy all these beers. Cheers guys, thanks for watching.